Have you ever laid awake at night, worried over the condition of your roof? The fear that those minor leaks could escalate into major issues is ever present. Rest assured, you're not alone in this. Welcome to the world offered by MidSouth Construction, where experts handle your roofing needs with an uncommon blend of precision and care. You can confidently place your trust in MidSouth Construction for all your roofing necessities. Imagine Ellie, a homeowner just like you. Her roof was in dire need of replacement. The situation was so severe it was even causing a leak inside her house. Then, someone recommended MidSouth Construction. Today, she rests easy under a solid new roof. She recommends MidSouth to everyone who needs a roof. Ellie says, "Once MidSouth Construction got in the picture, everything was easy pie after that." Think about Andrew, a happy client. He dreaded the roofing process, but MidSouth Construction put him at ease. Our expert team replaced his roof efficiently and professionally. Andrew said, "From the very beginning, we were treated like royalty." Then there is Christopher, a homeowner who felt like his roof replacement project was a hassle he couldn't escape. But with MidSouth Construction on the job, his worries vanished. Christopher states that, "I cannot say enough good things about MidSouth Construction. They made my life so much easier during a very difficult time." Christopher can now shift his focus to his family. MidSouth Construction is a trusted name that provides high-quality roofs for homeowners. Many individuals, just like you, have benefited from our services, and they no longer lose sleep worrying about their roofs. MidSouth Construction is a Master Elite Roofing Contractor. We don't just install roofs, we ensure your homes are well protected, giving you the peace of mind you deserve. Don't hesitate, give MidSouth Construction a call today to make your dream about a sturdy new roof a reality.